Hello everyone. Now these 5 cars are heavily play worn. One of my subscriber sent it to me for repainting, and I'm going to take you through the process. Now first I will be scraping the paint of these cars. Then I will mask the windows, wheels, and the part that I don't want to paint up. So be right back. Right, now I have stripped most of the paint from the car as much as possible. Now it's time to mask the part that I don't want to paint, like the windscreen, window, and wheels. So I'll be back. I have finished masking the cars. The process of scraping the paint and masking the cars takes a few hours for all these 5 cars. So the next step would be to spray the paint. Join me at the paint shop and we'll see what color it comes out. Okay, now we are going to spray paint the Porsche Boxster in this color. It would look very nice when we peel off the masking tape. Now we proceed for the next car. And for this Ford Expedition, orange. There you go. For this Mazda RX-8, we use blue. Blue Mazda RX-8. For the little Suzuki, we use brown color. Not too near. Brown Suzuki. And lastly, for the Mini Cooper, green as well. there you go, green Mini Cooper. Now this is the finished product. I have unmasked the masking tape and the paint has dried. Now I have the video of the unmasking or removing of the masking tape, but that is a very long, tedious process. The video is very long, so I won't show it. I will show you the finished product. This is the RX-7. You can see that the RX-8, the original yellow paint you can see on the interior. The little Suzuki, Ford Expedition, which was blue, Porsche Boxster, which was also blue. So these repainted cars are ready to be played again. They are not meant to be collector's item, they are just meant to be played as a toy. So it's likely repainted, not restored, just repainted. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this repainting video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.